Question 1. What does SNS stand for? The correct answer is A. Simple Notification Service. Question 2. What is Amazon SNS? The correct answer is B. Pub/sub messaging service. Question 3. What is an SNS topic? The correct answer is B. Communication channel. Question 4. What is a publisher in SNS? The correct answer is B. Sends messages to topic. Question 5. What is a subscriber in SNS? The correct answer is B. Receives messages from topic. Question 6. What protocols does SNS support? The correct answer is C. HTTP, HTTPS, email, SMS. Question 7. SQS. What is the maximum message size? The correct answer is C. 256 kilobytes. Question 8. What is SNS message filtering? The correct answer is B. Filter messages by attributes. Question 9. What is a filter policy? The correct answer is B. Define message filtering rules. Question 10. Does SNS guarantee message order? The correct answer is B. No, except FIFO topics. Question 11. What is an SNS FIFO topic? The correct answer is B. Ordered message delivery. Question 12. Can FIFO topics have duplicates? The correct answer is B. No, exactly once delivery. Question 13. What is the FIFO topic throughput? The correct answer is B. 300 TPS, 3000 with batching. Question 14. What is message deduplication? The correct answer is B. Prevent duplicate messages. Question 15. What is the deduplication interval? The correct answer is B. 5 minutes. Question 16. What is SNS fanout? The correct answer is B. Multiple subscribers pattern. Question 17. Can SNS send to SQS? The correct answer is B. Yes. Question 18. Can SNS trigger Lambda? The correct answer is B. Yes. Question 19. What is SNS message attributes? The correct answer is B. Metadata about message. Question 20. How many message attributes allowed? The correct answer is B, 10. Question 21. Does SNS support encryption? The correct answer is B, yes, at rest and in transit. Question 22. What encryption does SNS use? The correct answer is B, ICE 256, KMS. Question 23. What is SNS delivery policy? The correct answer is B, retry and backoff settings. Question 24. What is the default retry attempts? The correct answer is B, 3. Question 25. What is SNS dead letter Q? The correct answer is B, failed message storage. Question 26. Can SNS use SQS as DLQ? The correct answer is B, yes. Question 27. What is SNS mobile push? The correct answer is B, push notifications to devices. Question 28. Which mobile platforms does SNS support? The correct answer is C, iOS, Android, Fire OS, etc. Question 29. What is SNS SMS? The correct answer is B, text message service. Question 30. Does SNS support international SMS? The correct answer is B, yes. Question 31. What is SNS pricing based on? The correct answer is B, number of publishes and deliveries. Question 32. Is there an SNS free tier? The correct answer is B, yes, 1 million publishes. Question 33. What is SNS topic policy? The correct answer is B, access control policy. Question 34. Can SNS topics be cross-region? The correct answer is B, no, regional service. Question 35. Can SNS topics be cross-account? The correct answer is B, yes, with policy. Question 36. What is SNS message ID? The correct answer is B, unique message identifier. Question 37. What is SNS timestamp? The correct answer is B, message publish time. Question 38. Does SNS support batching? The correct answer is B, yes, for FIFO topics. Question 39. What is the maximum batch size? The correct answer is B, 10. Question 40. What is SNS subscription confirmation? The correct answer is B, subscriber must confirm. Question 41. What is subscription filter policy? The correct answer is B, message attribute filter. Question 42. Can you have multiple subscriptions per topic? The correct answer is B, yes. Question 43. What is the maximum subscriptions per topic? The correct answer is C, 12.5 million. Question 44. What is SNS message signature? The correct answer is B, verify message authenticity. Question 45. Does SNS support message archiving? The correct answer is B, no, use Kinesis Firehose. Question 46. Can SNS integrate with EventBridge? The correct answer is B, yes. Question 47. What is SNS raw message delivery? The correct answer is B, message without SNS metadata. Question 48. Does SNS support VPC endpoints? The correct answer is B, yes, via private link. Question 49. What is SNS message group ID? The correct answer is B, FIFO ordering identifier. Question 50. Can SNS publish to HTTP endpoints? The correct answer is B, yes, HTTP and HTTPS. How many did you get right? Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.